Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Torch, the Goofy Blonde Chef, and today we're going to bring you 3 summer treats that really taste like cheats. So hang on, it's going to be a fun ride. So today we bring you 3 amazing dishes to bring to your summer parties, your cookouts, if you're entertaining at home. These are low carb, they're mostly low calorie, and I think you're going to love them. So we have a faux potato salad. It's low carb. It's made with what else? Cauliflower. It's so delicious. You're not even going to know it's not potatoes. 3 dips for veggies, for pork rinds, whatever you like to dip. This is a salsa Greek yogurt. This is a peanut sesame and a honey mustard. Lots of fresh veggies cut up for you. And a low carb shrimp cocktail. And as you may know, most of the carbs are in the cocktail sauce, so we've slimmed that down for you. And we're going to show you how to do it all here on the Goofy Blonde Chef. Stay tuned. So quite possibly the easiest recipe you will ever see on the Goofy Blonde Chef is shrimp cocktail. We're going to start with a bag of frozen premium raw shrimp that are peeled and deveined, tail still on. I got jumbo, Old Bay seasoning, no sugar added ketchup, and some prepared horseradish. That's it. For our low carb cocktail sauce, we're just going to combine a 1/4 cup of no sugar ketchup with a teaspoon of horseradish. Mix it up, maybe squeeze a lemon if you like, and that's your sauce. So I've added my shrimp and Old Bay seasoning to some boiling water. I'm going to cook these just until they're pink. Then we're going to drain them and chill them and serve them with our cocktail sauce. And we're done with that dish. We are good to go with our shrimp cocktail. The shrimp are drained and chilled. I've put them in an iced bowl surrounding our cocktail sauce, garnished with some lime wedges because I prefer lime to lemon, a sprig of parsley, whatever you like. This is going to be delicious and I can't wait to try it. Okay, we are tasting the shrimp cocktail and I bet it's going to be really good. For our low carb faux potato salad, what do you think our first ingredient is? 2 cups of cooked, cooled, chopped cauliflower florets. And moving on, 1/2 cup of diced celery, 1/2 cup of diced green onion, 2 chopped hard-boiled eggs, dill, pepper, salt, yellow mustard, 1/2 cup of light mayonnaise, and 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt. And we're going to mix this all up. About a teaspoon of mustard, give or take, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and everything else is to taste. So I'm going to mix it up and come back and show you what it looks like, and then we're going to chill it. Okay, this is all mixed up. It is so gorgeous. I don't even know what to do. We're going to chill it, and then we're going to take a taste. So here's the deal with our 3 dips. First of all, you need something to dip. So I've cut up some lovely vegetables, some red peppers, yellow peppers, cucumbers, celery, and lightly blanched for maybe a minute asparagus. And I'm going to chill those up. Our 3 dips are going to be Greek yogurt and salsa, powdered peanut butter, sriracha, sesame oil, and roasted sesame seeds. You're going to need a little water for the powdered peanut butter, and honey mustard. So I'm going to use a whole grain Dijon with a sugar-free maple syrup. I like Choc Zero. It's nice and thick and makes a great honey mustard. For our first dip, we're going to take a container of Greek yogurt, mild salsa, not too much, just to taste. And I've got this Tex-Mex seasoning, Taste of Arizona. I'm gonna add a little bit of that. Now it's all mixed. You can garnish with a little bit of salsa, maybe some tomatoes, some cilantro or parsley, and maybe a little more seasoning, and it'll look pretty. Okay, for dip 2, we're gonna take 1/2 cup of powdered peanut butter. I use PB2. We're going to add water slowly and mix this into a dip consistency. I'm going to add a dash of toasted sesame oil, not much, and another dash of sriracha with a few sesame seeds. I tend to overdo it. And maybe some sliced green onion. And that's it for dip 2. Okay, and dip 3 is a luxurious honey mustard. I've started with a whole grain Dijon. And I'm simply going to add sugar-free maple syrup. This is Choc 0. I'll put a link in the comments below. We want to add a good bit. And we're just going to stir that up. It's going to look gorgeous. And taste even better. I've always missed a sweet mustard on low carb, and this really does the trick. And there you have it, our 3 dips. Okay, can't wait to dig into these, and I'm sure your guests are gonna love it. Well, there you are, our summer treats that taste like cheats. I hope you loved it. Please like and subscribe to this video. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for watching these videos, and we will see you next time on The Goofy Blonde Chef.